Hello, welcome everybody to another tutorial series on our MeteoData channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, and be part of the family. And so into this very short tutorial video, we'll be looking at how to transcribe simply any audio or video file on our Windows PC. And so typically with Windows, if you're using Windows 10 and above, you can just hit on your Windows key with your H key, and it opens a voice typing panel and allows you to transcribe. So that allows you to do simply an audio transcription in any um, text editor. But then our focus here is to typically transcribe a video or let's say an audio. So I'm going to transcribe the video on the MeteoData homepage. And so what we need to do is to first go get a VB audio cable, that's like a virtual audio cable from this site. And so once you just Google search VB cable, you would have this option, and then you can just click to download which version you want or which OS type you want. And you get one that's compatible with your operating system. Once you have that done, hit your Windows key, start searching for sound settings, and then once you get your sound settings, you set your input to cable output and set your output to cable input. And with this, you're good to go. Let's go back to our MeteoData channel, and then we restart the video.
Welcome to
Go to the text
MeteoData,
editor, hit our
together with
Windows
Python
button and then our
programming
H,
experts who
and then it
apply their
starts
skills to
listening.
different fields of science,
And
particularly
that's simply
meteorology
how
applications.
you can
We
do a
wish to learn
transcription
Python
of
with you.
any audio file or any
Cheers.
video file with no stress. I believe you had a wonderful time on this session. If you have any issues, do revert to the team, and we are more than happy to assist you. Do have an amazing time, and then we hope to see you in our next tutorial session. Bye bye.